Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 15 December Sunday 2024. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 14, number 18, number 27, number 32, number 47, number 49. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 14, number 18, number 27, number 32, number 47, number 49. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 33, number 34, number 42, number 44, number 45, number 46. To the lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 33, number 34, number 42, number 44, number 45, number 46. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 28, and number 36, and number 44, and number 47. To the lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 28, number 36, number 44, number 47. Now tea time prediction for 15 December Sunday 2024. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 2, number 17, number 24, number 25, number 26, number 20. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 17, number 24, number 25, number 26, number 27. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 38, and number 39, and number 40, and number 41, and number 45, and number 46. To tea time second prediction number repeat: number 38, number 39, number 40, number 41, number 45, number 46. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 37, and number 41, and number 46, and number 49. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 37, number 41, and number 46, and number 49. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell.